Here is how you can create snow video fast using CapCut. Grab and drag your image into the timeline. Get a snowfall footage and drag it above your image. Go to Basic, Blend and set it to screen. Then go to Mask, Add Mask, choose a pen tool and create a mask for each window part. And here you go. Now all you have to do is just complement the scene by adding a fireplace. Scale it down, go to Basic, set to screen, place it over the fireplace, and go to Mask, Add Mask, and create a selection. Add some feather. And then grab a steam or smoke effect, scale it down, set the blend mode to screen, and put it above the cup. And here you go.